Remember this jacket, guys? We bought it in Stockholm and it's coming to good use.
For the first time.
Oh, I love it! 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 I'm so sorry, I'm so weird. I love it! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Sorry.
What are you looking for?
You all know what I'm looking for.
No.
A little bit of Sweden in my life. A little bit of Sweden in my life. I don't think there's any Sweden in here.
Egypt.
Oh!
Oh! Göta kanal.
What does that mean?
That's the canal in Göteborg.
Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know.
She's out of the car. It's time for me to get out there.
I'm dying to know it all.
It's so cold! We made it into the comfort of shelter.
Wow, that was crazy.
My hands are frozen. It's a really nice view out here though.
Very nice. It's snowing.
Yeah, it is snowing.
See the trees grow. They were here long before.
I'm having a heart attack.
Holy shit.
There's a blizzard going on.
No.
It's like bucketing down snowy ice. I can't feel my fingers. They're like frozen numb. It's kind of nice though. It reminds me of Norway. Alright, I think it's time to make our way back down and not get our car blown over by the wind off the mountain.
This time will tell.
Went for a small pit stop.
Yeah, maybe less windy down here.
Let's hope so.
It all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of
We made it to a place called Mona. I think it's like a museum of some sort.
Yeah, underground, you said.
And there's like nice little vineyards, vineyards. How do you say it? Vineyards, vineyards,
I don't know.
vineyards. And it's like chickens and bunnies everywhere. I'm loving it.
It's like you're connecting with nature.
Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow.
We made it out of the dungeon.
Alive.
Mattias, poor Mattias.
Yeah, I feel like, people take drugs and mess with their own brain. People watch horror movies, and then there's this museum.
I kind of liked it. It was a bit
That's fun.
scary though.
It was fun, but it was definitely
It was trippy.
It was an experience.
There was
No, I
like a
did
whole
not.
wall of like sculptured vaginas.
It was strange. It was a very strange experience, and I'm not sure if I would do it again.
I didn't film a lot because there was a lot of weird stuff there. Guys, this car has Bluetooth connection, so I can play Jon Henrik Fjällgren. Ready?
Oh my goodness. Oh, come on.
Akte det görtet med att I don't know. See? Jon Henrik Fjällgren. Mattias and I are just going for a walk around I think it's like the old town of Hobart. It's really nice. All the houses here are like so quaint and Victorian.
They're keeping our stories, and when we're older, they will still stand tall. Things time will tell, we might never